Hello, millennials and Gen Z. In this video, we are looking into the start of the transformer model, like what is the input given to that model and how does it start the process. To understand the input, let's open ChatGPT 4, where we have given the inputs as text. It's an array of words given to the model. Precisely, we can say array of tokens we have given to the model. Now, what is the difference? Here we use two terms, right? One is word and other is token. So token is the more closer to the language of artificial intelligence. Why? Because what is the difference between the token and the word? So if we see over here, like like if we count the size of word over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like that. But if we count the token over here, then Anup is one token, comma is other token. So total size of word is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and total size of token is like 1 2, comma is also a token, 3 4 5 6 7 7, embed is 7, ing is 8, 9, gpt 10, dash 11, 2 12, comma 13. So 8 is the word, but vector is 13. So that's the difference between the word and the token. Token technically counts everything which is different, but words we generally count like 1 2 3 4, but token is more technical, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Especially we can see over here, like there is a word embed, right? So embed is in token ing. In that embed, ing is adding, then embed, then ings. There are two tokens over here, single word but two token. Now, instead of word, we refer the technical word token. So here in the input, we give the 11 token to the model. Like, what is the size of word embedding of ChatGPT 2? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, model first converts all these token in token IDs. Now, what's this token ID and where did it come from? So let's understand that first. A particular model always have their limited number of tokens. For example, ChatGPT 3 have 50,287 tokens. So it's like a world to the model. Model know these tokens only, and all the 50,287 tokens have their unique ID, like 123 273, like that. Every token have their ID. Model tokens is internally to the model. Model knows these tokens only, which all have their unique ID. So each token have the unique ID and represented by the multi-dimensional vector. Let's look into this into a small scale presentation.